Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful.
And you feel the rings are grabbing. Consistent.
You feel it.
Nice GTR.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul. We're just heading over to Pauldfox Performance, PSP. We're dropping off a couple engine pieces that he needed to finish up the short block. It's done, so we're gonna check it out, order a few more parts, and we'll see you guys once we're inside.
This is your short block here.
Oh wow.
That looks good. Okay.
She look nice.
Shoot the bottom end here.
Nice.
Let me wipe this oil. So yeah, we had the heavy duty gears on the pump.
Okay.
So I took it all apart. Did everything to it.
Looks nice.
Yeah. So.
It's great.
Yeah.
Great. So.
Yeah, put in the little screw-in plugs for the oil passes where normally they're pressed on.
Right.
So. Yeah, now just
good.
put the heads on and
Move your elbow.
go together. Yeah. The pickup and then check.
Like move your elbow.
And the cams were I sent the cams out, got it polished and checked for straightness.
So you said they're straight?
They're straight and they're
Polished.
polished. Yes.
Okay.
All
So
of
we
them.
should be all done.
Yeah.
One less thing to
Well, I didn't expect to be as much.
Can I
but-
see?
Yeah, you can see.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so they're nice. Okay, at least
Yeah,
they're
ready
all
to go in.
straight.
Yeah.
I think he checked them all for straightness.
All of them are done by
It's
him.
probably going to be nose heavy.
Yeah. That's okay.
You know,
You know
'cause
what?
of the turbo. And
A lot of people
I don't
want a
know
nose
that
heavy.
anyway, so
People want nose heavy because
Yeah.
the thing wants to stand up on the bumper. That's what you
Exactly.
do. Yeah.
I don't want it to stand up on the.
That's what I mean. That's gonna help.
Yeah, yeah. So,
That's why a lot of people mount turbos full up there. Everything is up there, so it keeps.
yeah,
Yeah. Don't. I won't be too worried.
yeah. Okay. The motor looks great, Paul.
Yeah. It's good. All.
You good? I
There's
brought up a
everything's
bunch
good.
of pieces. This is a beautiful little piece. This
Yeah.
This looks nice.
Yeah.
So everything looks great.
Put the rear cover
From-
on already. So.
From where we've come from, you know.
Yeah.
It's essentially all brand new.
Yes.
Basically, right?
Yeah, and I'm glad we didn't do what we're supposed to do with the other motor. So.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't have faith in that. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful.
And you feel the rings are grabbing. Consistent.
You feel it?
Didn't have to have this hole here.
Yeah.
So if you say you had a leak in the motor, this would have filled up with water. So at least if this fills up with water, at least it's going to leak out. We're going to see it come out of the bottom of the car. Because if this filled up with water and we didn't have that hole there, and you launched the car for some reason,
Right.
we've gone on your tires, you would have a problem. So
Gotcha.
I put a little.
It's like a little drain. A little
Drain, at
test
least
drain,
we're gonna
and
see-
at least it'll stay in the center.
At least we're going to see it.
Yeah, you're gonna see
so-
it, and yeah.
Yeah, I think I did the same thing to Ted the other day. I noticed that when I was washing, I said, "Oh, I better do that."
It
So
looks great. These pistons are.
yeah, well, I got the spare ones over there that you got to take home with you.
Yeah, no problem.
All the other stuff. So
I can stay here. I don't know if you want me to take it home. Or
no,
not.
then I would have a ton of everybody's pistons.
That looks great, man.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cover it up.
And we have one kinetic head gasket coming in, but we're still waiting on one.
Oh, we got
both?
the head gaskets.
Oh, yeah.
We got lots of head gaskets now. Actually, for you.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
even told Ted I got a sale on the 94 millimeter ones.
What are you renting?
See, this one is going deeper. See?
So on the Texac block,
Yes.
Texac block or Illuminator block,
Yes.
it's perfect.
What are you?
So those are my old ARP head studs.
Yeah.
They don't go as deep into the Boss block as they do into the
No.
Texac or the Illuminator.
So I'm gonna mark
okay.
this here.
So I'll mark there. Because this is why we have to replace the new
Gotcha.
head studs. See how deep this one goes? And then on here, it doesn't go as deep on mine. That's why we got to replace them.
Oh, I got it. See?
See the difference here?
Yeah.
Come from the
That's
side.
the difference.
down
Yeah.
There's what
the
we're
difference.
missing there.
Wow.
Okay. All right, so we just left the shop. Super happy with the way the short block came out. Looks awesome. We also ordered the Holly Pro Dash and the bezel. So a couple more pieces, for the Holly system. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already done so, smash the subscribe button, give the video a like, drop in a comment, and thanks for watching. And dropping off a bunch of parts that he needed to complete the short block. It's done now, so I'm just coming to check it out, and I drove right past his shop. So I gotta double back here a little bit. Anyhow,